Toyota just dropped a compact SUV so good, it's embarrassing the competition. The 2026 Corolla Cross isn't just an upgrade, it's a full reinvention. We're talking a jaw-dropping hybrid hitting 42 miles per gallon, a tech-loaded interior with a 12.3-inch cockpit, and styling so sharp, it looks twice its price. Stick around because by the end of this video, you might be trading in your current ride. So, buckle up, let's get into it. Exterior design and first impressions. Let's start with what immediately grabs your attention: the completely transformed exterior styling. Toyota has finally moved away from their traditionally conservative design language with this new Corolla Cross. The front end now features a much more aggressive and modern look with a bold hexagonal grille that gives the vehicle real presence on the road. The sharp LED headlights and signature daytime running lights create an instantly recognizable face that stands out in traffic, especially at night. What's particularly impressive is how Toyota has managed the proportions. While remaining compact enough for easy city driving and tight parking situations, they've subtly increased the overall dimensions to provide more interior space without making the vehicle feel bulky or difficult to maneuver. The wheel arches are more pronounced, giving it a planted, athletic stance, especially when equipped with the available larger alloy wheels. One of the most striking new options is the cavalry blue exterior paint, particularly when paired with the black roof and accents available on higher trims. This rich, deep blue hue changes character depending on lighting conditions, sometimes appearing almost metallic in bright sunlight, while taking on a deeper, more sophisticated tone at dusk. It's the kind of premium paint option you'd typically expect on much more expensive vehicles. At the rear, the redesigned LED taillights now stretch further across the tailgate, creating a wider, more substantial appearance. The rear bumper has been reshaped to improve departure angle slightly while also looking more upscale. Every exterior change serves a purpose, whether it's improving visibility, aerodynamics, or simply giving the Corolla Cross a more confident road presence. Interior and technology upgrades. Now, let's step inside where Toyota has made perhaps the most significant improvements. The moment you open the door, you'll notice the higher quality materials throughout the cabin. Soft touch surfaces now cover most of the dashboard and door panels, a welcome upgrade over the harder plastics in the previous model. The redesigned seats offer better support and comfort, with available premium upholstery options that elevate the interior feel. The center console has been completely reworked to maximize usable space while maintaining a clean, uncluttered appearance. You'll find larger cup holders that can actually accommodate big water bottles, plus numerous small item storage solutions throughout the cabin. The available Portobello interior color scheme on higher trims gives the cabin an upscale, almost luxury-like ambiance that defies this vehicle's price point. Technology takes a massive leap forward for 2026. Every Corolla Cross now comes standard, with a 10.5-inch touchscreen running Toyota's latest multimedia system. The interface is more intuitive than ever, with crisp graphics and quick response times. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, eliminating the need to fumble with cables every time you enter the vehicle. An available 12.3-inch fully digital gauge cluster transforms the driver's experience, offering multiple display configurations to show exactly the information you want most. This customizable display can prioritize navigation directions, audio information, or vehicle data depending on your preferences. The graphics are sharp and easy to read at a glance, contributing to safer driving. Passenger space has been thoughtfully increased throughout the cabin. Rear seat passengers will appreciate the additional legroom, while the redesigned seat shapes provide better comfort on longer journeys. When it comes to cargo capacity, the Corolla Cross offers over 60 cubic feet of space with the rear seats folded, an impressive figure for its class. The load floor is low and flat, making it easy to slide in larger items. Performance and powertrain options. Under the hood, Toyota offers two distinct powertrain options to suit different driving needs. The standard 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine produces 169 horsepower and 150 pound-feet of torque, paired with a continuously variable transmission. This setup delivers smooth, adequate power for daily commuting and highway driving, with refinement improvements over the previous generation. The real star of the show is the hybrid powertrain. Combining a 2.0-liter Atkinson cycle engine with 3 electric motors, this system generates a combined 196 horsepower while delivering an EPA estimated 42 miles per gallon combined. The hybrid isn't just more efficient, It's actually quicker than the gas-only model thanks to the instant torque from the electric motors. The transition between electric and gasoline power is seamless, with none of the abruptness some hybrids display. Both powertrains benefit from Toyota's electronic on-demand all-wheel drive system, which automatically sends power to the rear wheels when additional traction is needed. This intelligent system operates transparently, providing confidence in poor weather conditions without the fuel economy penalty of traditional full-time AWD systems. Safety and advanced features. Toyota's commitment to safety shines through with the standard Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 suite on every Corolla Cross. This includes adaptive cruise control that works in stop-and-go traffic, lane centering assist, automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection, and road sign recognition. The system operates smoothly and unobtrusively, providing an extra layer of security without being overly intrusive. Available premium features include a heated steering wheel and heated front seats for colder climates, as well as an excellent JBL premium audio system with 8 speakers strategically placed throughout the cabin. The sound quality is well balanced with crisp highs and surprisingly good bass response for this class of vehicle. Pricing and who should buy it. Pricing starts just under $26,000 for the base L trim, positioning the Corolla Cross as an excellent value in the compact SUV segment. The hybrid model commands a reasonable premium that's quickly offset by fuel savings for most drivers. When you consider the standard safety technology, improved interior quality, and impressive fuel efficiency, the Corolla Cross represents one of the smartest choices for practical, budget-conscious buyers who don't want to compromise on features. After thoroughly evaluating every aspect of the 2026 Corolla Cross, it's clear Toyota has created something special here. They've taken an already competent compact SUV and elevated it in nearly every meaningful way. Better styling, higher quality materials, more advanced technology, and significantly improved efficiency in the hybrid model. While it may not be the most exciting vehicle in its class, it's arguably the most thoughtfully designed and thoroughly competent option available today. So, what do you think? Hybrid or gas? Let me know in the comments. If this video helped, hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.